So this is going to be a simple DIY home decor video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make some flower sticks for home decor using just a newspaper and electric wire. Feel free to be experimental with yours. You can make yours bigger, you can make yours longer, you can make yours fuller, you can even change your color from silver to gold to red to green, however you want it to be. If this is the first time of checking out this channel, you are so welcome. All right, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, and also do not forget to hit that notification so you'll be the first to know once a new video goes up. So I will be using 1.5 mm wire for this project. So guys, this is the wire we have. If you don't want to go through the stress of scraping and bringing out your wire, you can use this kind of wire. This is Darius wire, 0.80 mm Darius wire. So the measurement of paper I'll be using for this project is 8 inches by 22 3/4 inch. So I'm quickly going to grab my scissors and cut the paper into two. So I'm going to use a toothpick and start folding my paper from this edge. So I'm going to take out my toothpick and then I will fix my wire in the same hole in place of the toothpick, and I'll continue folding. So I'm going to continue folding gently, and once I get to this point, I'm going to put some gum to hold this in place. So I'm going to continue folding. So once I get to the end, I'm going to make sure that the edge laps very well. So this is what we have. I'm also going to push my wire in until it comes out from the other end. So I'm going to grab a rod and form my coils. So I'm trying to form a spiral around this rod. So all you need is just a straight object that will help you form your spiral. So it doesn't have to be a rod. If you don't have a rod or a pole, you can use your pen. You can just use anything you can see around you to, form your spiral. So I'm going to grab my cutter and cut out the excess wire that is coming out from this spiral stick. I really don't know what to call it. So I'm using my Abro paint in silver. I'm going to shake this very well before I start spraying. You can use any color, you can use gold, you can use red, you can use green, whichever color you have, but I'm going to be using silver for mine. Once I'm done spraying, I'm going to take this outside and allow it to dry for some minutes before I bring it in. Alright guys, so this is what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a vase and show you guys what this looks like. Well, this looks somehow scanty, but if you want it to be fuller, you can make more of these. If you want the color to be gold, you can change the color to gold. You can use any flower vase of your choice. I'm going to make a video and show you guys the flower vase that I'm going to be using with this flower. Alright guys, so this is all about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already. Keep loving, keep crushing, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.